Hello, this is Qualistat Zach here. I'm at Mattamy Homes Alberta's Carrington Division, and we're doing a blower door IR investigation on the three windows behind me here, looking at different window prep situations. So currently, if we just go downstairs here. Alright, so we're at the blower door here. I've got the building currently depressurized to 42 pascals, and we're at about 3.2 air changes per hour at mid-construction for this building. So we're going to go upstairs, we're going to take a look with the IR camera, and we're going to actually see how the window preparations have affected the air tightness of this building. Alright, so these are the three windows that we are going to be looking at today for our IR investigation. This is a operable window which has been prepped with Resisto. So we've got a peel and stick membrane along the bottom of the window here with plastic corner inserts. On the middle window here we've got a home flash preparation installation. So that's our sill pan protection, and then they also did up the sides of each window for the home flash situation here. And then on this window here, we just have the home flash sill protection on the sill. They didn't do preparations up the side. And we're gonna take a look at the IR camera now, and we're gonna see if there's any differences in air leakage between these three windows. So I've got our IR camera tuned up here, and we're looking at the window just at the bottom. So this is the Resisto window. So this is the lowest quality preparation that they have currently installed. Lowest quality doesn't necessarily mean that it's bad. So looking at the bottom, there is a bit of leakage showing here at the bottom plate, or the sill plate. At the corner, there's a little bit of leakage as well. Oh, sorry, I've got a bit of glare and I can't really see. And then at this corner here, we also have a little bit of leakage. Now, going up the side of the window, we can see that we don't have too much leakage occurring. Same with the top, and going down the remainder of the side of the window. Now we're going to change. So now we're looking at the home flash prepped on three sides. And we can see at the bottom there's a little bit of leakage occurring, but the leakages that we're seeing here, we're currently at -40, -35 degrees outside, and the lowest temperature that I'm seeing just along that edge is only around 12 degrees, and the surrounding walls at 16 degrees. So that's still relatively airtight. We have looked at these windows with a smoke pencil to demonstrate air leakage. I'll do that now for you. Just give me 1 second here. So this is just a little bottle with chalk in it. We can poof that up. Hopefully you can see, maybe over here in the light would be better. So there's not really a whole bunch of air moving this chalk through. So that's another way that we can tell or give us signatures on what kind of air leakage that we have showing around these windows. Now, this window in particular, there is a plume showing up around the lower part of the window here, and we are pretty sure this is not from air leakage occurring through the actual window preparation and window frame assembly. Most likely what's happened here is that there's a bat in the cavity below the window, and there's probably an electrical wire or something that the bat installer had to get around, and due to how they installed it, the insulation is compressed, and that's why we're seeing a temperature difference occurring in such a shape there like that. And then going around the rest of these windows here, we can see that they're all relatively airtight. So what have we learned from this investigation today? We've got three different window preparations occurring. We've got a low grade, high grade, medium grade, and we're not really seeing much of a difference of air tightness between these three different preparations. So essentially, that concludes the results for our IR investigation today. So thanks for tuning in, and yeah, we'll see you guys next time.